oyster pork ribs. See?
Oh,
Come on. Okay naman na siya. Naku.
oyster pork ribs and then stir fry bamboo,
Yeah, black pepper chicken.
black pepper chicken.
Then they have this another
Oh my goodness.
fried rice.
Fried rice,
Then pad thai.
pad thai, oh,
Then
lomin.
chow fan noodles.
Oh my
This
goodness.
one is already fried.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
Mas limpyo pa siya. Then they have egg rolls. They have this.
They have mong sausage. Oh,
This-
naasin like.
See, they have like, if you want duck and roast.
Oh, I like
beef.
duck.
Yeah, they do have a roast beef.
I like duck.
Lechon.
Oh yeah, litson. Oh my God, litson. Oh my God, mukhang kang duck.
Dili.
Lami man siya,
Chicken,
JC.
oh.
Uy, mahal sa ganda ko, $31.
Yes.
Oh my God, it used to
And
be
then
like
roaster, ano nila po, roasted pork nila kay tag 15.
per pound.
Yeah po.
Okay, ako ni eh.
Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. You want bubble tea? You like bubble tea?
Maybe they're out?
Oh my gosh. Daghan ang pagkaon diri disi.
They have selections of Halloween.
So, na sila, oh my God.
Oh, mga kuan oh.
Hala, na sila live nga lobster. Live nga lobster. Naunsa man diri na amay nag mini skirt. Hello, lobster. Oh my gosh.
Alam, isda oh.
Oh, isda kadaghan. Oh, ilang
Pwede niyo mo palimpyuhan.
Oh, $4.99 per pound. Very fresh. Barato la
Kasi
ilang
nag-selection sa kuan.
yun. Mukhang kag-ito dahil.
Dili.
Nasa mo.
Kani mo kaon ko.
Oh yeah.
Ito kas oyster tea. Live oyster.
199
Crab,
piece.
oh.
Uy, hala, crab. My goodness. $7.99 per pound.
Ano sa kuan tea?
Kuan. Hala, umang. Oh, di, uy. I'm not sure. Snails. Hala. Hala, kadaghan.
Kuan oh. Octopus tea. Imo nang tabunan imo.